Over 1.2 million people die every year from a microscopic killer you can't even see, superbugs. Antibiotics are failing one after another. Humanity is running out of its last cards. But science's newest secret weapon isn't a drug. It's a hollow cell that's alive but can never reproduce. In 2023, synthetic biologists in the UK unveiled a brand new weapon. They called it SimCell. The goal was wild. Turn ordinary E. coli into micro-assassins engineered to hunt superbugs. First, embed antimicrobial peptide genes into a plasmid. Then use molecular scissors to shred the bacterium's entire chromosome. Imagine building a self-destructing drone. Load the attack program and target coordinates, then rip out the engine and wings. SimCell is that drone, armed with lethal antimicrobial peptides, but permanently stripped of the ability to reproduce. When it collides with a superbug, the peptides punch through the bacterial membrane like a row of spikes. Fluids pour out instantly. Mission complete, this hollow shell lacks the DNA blueprint to self-replicate, so it quietly falls apart and vanishes. The team tested it against the notorious Pseudomonas aeruginosa, a superbug with a terrifying mortality rate in lung infections. The results were jaw-dropping. SimCell wiped out over 99% of drug-resistant colonies within 8 hours. Even better, since SimCell can't reproduce, it can't spread resistance genes to surrounding microbes. Someday when you're hospitalized with an infection, the nurse won't hand you rows of antibiotic pills. Instead, you'll get an injection packed with living hollow cells that lock onto the infection site and eliminate invaders one by one. Once the mission's done, they self-destruct, leaving nothing behind and triggering no new resistance. But the story is just getting started. Scientists are now testing SimCell to deliver vaccines and even anti-cancer drugs. A shell smaller than a red blood cell could one day replace the entire antibiotic system humanity has relied on for a century. But the biggest question remains, when humans learn to build the perfect living weapon, who decides what it targets?